this video we're going to talk about the features of the magnetic sweeper. On the front there's this 12 gauge steel plate that runs side to side, so if you do hit a rock or something with your sweeper, this will absorb the impact. As well as there's this UHMW wear bar here that will prevent any wear on your aluminum pan. It'll also help to push the rock into the ground or whatever you've struck with your sweeper. This is made out of the same material as motorcycle chain guards that the chain runs over all the time, so this will take a lot of wear. You probably won't ever have to replace this part. And the magnetic sweeper has wraparound feature, so that as you're going through if you do bottom it out, the debris will get wiped around to the back of the sweeper, and there's a magnetic field in the back of the sweeper also that keeps your debris stuck to the back so that it won't fall off when you're if you bottom it out on the ground. Your stuff will still stay attached. And that's the end of this video.